this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Chromecast to laptop. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to be talking about what options you have to use your Chromecast in conjunction with a laptop. Now, something that I need to make very clear is that, according to all the research that I've done, you cannot simply just connect the Chromecast to the laptop and stream content from other devices to the laptop. It seems like this feature does not work anymore. So, I'm still going to give you an alternative on what you can do. However, if you want to use the Chromecast attached to something like a TV and stream the content from your laptop into the TV, then this is going to be entirely possible. To use the Chromecast, you plug it into any of the HDMI ports available on the TV, and once it is plugged into an HDMI port, you provide it with suitable power, usually by using the USB cable that is included. Once the Chromecast has sufficient power and it is plugged into an HDMI port on the TV, it is going to look for nearby devices. And if you are using something like Google Chrome, you can go over here to the three dots, click on the cast option, and cast your screen to the Chromecast. So this is going to be super simple. So essentially you will be sharing from your laptop to the Chromecast. But like I said before, what if you want to share the content from a TV to the laptop using the Chromecast? Well, sadly, this isn't going to be possible using the Chromecast itself. For this, you will need something like a capture card. Plenty of these exist, and you will be able to use it in conjunction with an HDMI cable or any other suitable cable to share the screen of a different device to your laptop. It is going to be mirrored. Because most HDMI ports on laptops are going to be outputs, and outputs aren't going to be suitable to receive the screen from other devices. So this is why you need a capture card. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Google Chromecast to laptop. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.